Today we're going to be making this simple yarn heart craft. This is a great one to do with your kids and doesn't require a ton of materials. So first you're going to just grab some cardboard and cut out a heart. I found that thicker cardboard works a little bit better. I was making a bunch that I wanted to look the same, so I created a template and then just traced it. Once your heart is cut out, go ahead and make that middle indent just a little bit deeper so that when it's filled with yarn, it still looks like a heart. So now I'm going to grab my yarn and start wrapping the heart. You're going to take a small piece of tape and tape that first little tail down to the cardboard. And then just go ahead and start wrapping. You can wrap systematically like I'm doing here, or you can do it pretty haphazardly and it'll still look cute at the end. As long as you cover the entire cardboard heart, you'll really achieve the same look at the end. So now I've gotten to the end, you can see my entire heart is covered in cardboard, so I'm just going to go ahead and trim my yarn and grab my hot glue gun. So go ahead and glue that last little tail down, and there you go, you've got a cute little heart and an easy craft you can do with your kids.